You just made 18 grand in 1 week if you follow this strategy. Why would you not? What's good? Let's get into it. Shout out to Aviva Senior Living. Drink milk. That's good. All right. So listen, I'm going to show you guys how to profitably trade Euro USD and make fucking bank. All right. But before I get into that, I want to tell you why you should trade Euro USD. First, Euro USD is the most traded currency pair in the Forex market. Why? It's because it has the lowest spread cost and the most liquidity, which helps you get in and out of positions. That alone, that's why you should be trading Euro USD. It's the best overall pair in my opinion for Forex. Now, obviously, futures, commodities, that's different. But we're doing Forex right now. In the future, I will transfer to futures. But right now, Forex. So now let's get into the chart. I actually don't even know why I'm still on that. Let's get into this chart. All right. Don't mind that shit. I'm just waiting for something to happen. All right. Now we're gonna trade London session because I noticed these always happen during London session. So let's mark out London session. 3 to 6. 3 to 6 is a kill zone. Supposedly, ICT. So I just go off that. We'll mark out all of them until today and see how many hit. How many TPs can we hit? All right, Jesus. I can't find the damn thing. Okay. Oh, that's why I'm on fucking 15 minutes. Go on hourly. Come on. Jesus. All right. Yeah. All right. Let's get it now. We'll start from the back. This is since Monday. This is since Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, today, July 4th, which should not be trading July 4th because it's July 4th. It's a bank holiday, pretty much, right? So let's get into this shit. Now, pay attention, all right? Pay attention. Like this, if you do it this way, if you do this, you're going to make money. You can become profitable just from this, okay? So pay attention. I shit you not. Pay attention. It's actually, this shit's nuts. Nuts. Like a 70% win rate. Probably better, honestly, if you do it correctly. So I always go, I'm in the 30 minute. I'm going to 30 minute, potentially even the 15 minute, because this is where you can see more movement. All right. First, we're going to mark out our buy side liquidity right here. Notice buy side gets taken out. When buy side gets taken out, it usually wants to reverse and target sell side. If sell side gets hit first, it usually wants to reverse and target buy side. All right, keep that in mind. We'll put sell side right here. This was Sunday. There was a gap up. This obviously in the future has to be filled. Okay, everything has to be filled. Everything has to grab liquidity. That's how these markets move. I have been saying it. This is a big ass huge gap. Eventually this will be filled. You can already see it over here. It's filled, right? So obviously we have to come back down and hit that. That's another confluence to this trade. We swept buy side. What's it usually want to do after? Target sell side. Where's that? Down. Where's this big ass gap? Down. Another confluence. Boom, it adds to it. We want to go bearish. Okay, we want to short. After we get the buy side taken out, we want to wait for a shift of structure. Now I go down in time frame. I'm going to go to 5 minute now. See if we can see anything. I'm going to zoom in. All right. I don't see any shift of structure yet that I want for a good entry. Let's go down to the 1 minute. Okay, boom. Market structure shift right here. After that, I want to target a bearish fair value gap. bank right here. Bang. Look at all that. It tests this fair value gap consistently. Now, after that, the fair value gaps where we want to be our entry, right? The fair value gaps are where we're going to want to enter. This is what it's going to want to do after the fair value gap. Use it as resistance. This is where I'll go short. I'll enter here. I'll put my stops at the top of the buy side. Now, before I pull this down, let's go back into the 5 minute and see where we can find sell side liquidity. All right. Wow, look at all of that. There's a lot of it. Don't forget, we also have this big ass gap down here. So let's put this all the way at the bottom of the gap. We can do that if we want. Now, I usually would not go after that, but I start at the very bottom and I like to work my way up. This is all sell side, right? This is all the market's going to want to come and take this out. Back to the 15 minute. Now, honestly, I'm never putting it down there. I'm never putting it right there. I'm honestly probably putting it right here. I'm being completely honest. You know why? Because I'm inside London session still. Boom, look at this. Came back up and tested this box. Notice this is a 5 minute fair value gap too. Look. So it's a 1 minute fair value gap and a 5 minute. Came up, tested it, came up, tested it, came up, tested it. All 3 times we use it as resistance. Boom, we came all the way down here. You could even take in profit right here. This right here would have been a 1 to 3. You could have even got out right here. That's, dude, look how, boom, quick as that. A fucking 1 to 3.64. Easy money, straight up. Now, if you wanted to, you could have held to our original sell side. And that would have hit literally kind of right after London session, around 8 a.m. You entered at around 3, exited at 8. Now, we came down, came back up, retested that 5 minute to continue back down. That's a 1 to fucking 5, a 1 to 5 pretty much. Beautiful trade, beautiful trade. Let's try it again. All right, let's see here. Remember, if buy side gets taken out, we naturally want to come down and take out sell side. If sell side gets hit first, we want to come up and take out buy side. All right, let's see. Okay, buy side gets taken out. Naturally, it's going to want to come down and take out sell side. Okay, this is where we get the market structure shift right here. Now, where's a fair value gap? Where's a bearish fair value gap we can enter on? Right here. Not to mention we have a 5 minute pin bar. That's another confluence right there. You have to take into all this take it all into consideration. Put all the probabilities with you. You want them to be on your side. Okay? Come up into that, test that bearish fair value gap, boom, write it down. Enter right here, put our stops at the top. Now let's go. Let's find some sell side liquidity. Now this over here, remember, that's from that huge gap. See? We can pull that all the way over because we still have to fill that imbalance. Sell side This is sell side. Pull our TP all the way down. 1 to 3. 1 to 2.8. Another solid trade. This trade literally happened within what? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. About 35 minutes. This trade happened within 35 minutes. A 1 to 3 in 35 minutes. Beautiful. 2 for 2. We're 2 for 2. Let's come over now. Now this is Wednesday. This is just yesterday. Let's see if you guys could have caught a trade yesterday. Right before London Open. Look, London Opens at 3. A lot of the setups happen before London, and then they carry into London. So this is buy side up here. The sell side. Now this time, sell side gets hit first. All right. Now, I'm waiting for a shift of structure, right? Well, we get one on the 5 minute, but we don't have a pullback to a fair value gap, which would be right in here. Now, if that happens, you don't potentially miss the trade. You can always go down to the 1 minute and see if there's an entry. Now, if there's not an entry on the 1 minute, well, you simply don't take the trade. You missed it. It's that simple. If you don't get an entry, don't take the trade. But let's see if we get an entry on the 1 minute. We got to get a market structure shift to the upside, and then we have to get a bullish fair value gap to enter. Because remember, sell side was taken first, and wow, this is disgusting. Luckily, it gets a little cleaner in here. Choppy. It's all right. We can still take this trade. Okay, so I'm gonna on the 1 minute. I'm gonna count this as the market structure shift. 1 minute fair value gap would be right here. Bang. I would have entered probably about 4 minutes earlier. Right there. Pull this down here. So if we come down and it stops us out, oh well, right? I'm gonna go back to the 5 minute now. Let's find our sell side. There's one. I'm sorry, excuse me, buy side. Holy. This trade kept on running to the upside. This shit just kept going to the upside. You could even targeted that if you wanted to. You could have had a runner. You would have held it for a little longer, but you could have done it. Maybe have one contract open still. But I personally would not have. I would have just simply hit right here for a 1 to 2.4. Bro, 3 for 3 every time. That's it. That's all you have to do. Are you willing to do it? Are you willing to wake up at 2 a.m. to do this? It works. It obviously works. 3 for 3. Let's go to Thursday. Let's see how Thursday. Let's see if we can find a trade on Thursday, considering it's 4th of July. By the way, happy 4th of July to you all. America. All right, let's see here. This is choppy. All right. Chop. All right, let's see here. Sell side gets taken out first. Mark that as the buy side. Low key, we can have we can count this as a market structure shift if we wanted to. I'm personally not trading this. This is just so choppy. But if you can look through it and see what makes the most sense, you can trade it. Right there's the market structure. We have a 5-minute bullish fair value gap right here. They all hold. Support, support, support. They all hold. We would have entered right in here. Put our stops. Probably like a 1.5 pip stop. Like, bro, that's pretty solid, right? Not bad at all. Now we target buy side liquidity. It's honestly, it's fucking simple. Just follow the damn rules, right? Just follow it. 1 to 7. A 1 to 7. You guys. This is all you need to be profitable. Follow your rules. Risk 1%. This is it. 4 for 4 on the whole week. We're 4 for 4. We're 4 for 4. You know what? I'm about to add all this up. Okay, that's a 7. 7 to 7 on this one, right? 7% on that trade you made. You made a 2% on that trade. $2.8% on this trade. $4.9% on that trade. You guys would have made about an 18% week. That's an 18% week. If you're on a 100K funded challenge, you just made 18 grand in 1 week. You just made 18 grand in 1 week if you follow this strategy. Why would you not? I'm telling you it works. I just fucking proved it. This is how I trade. Try it. What the fuck you got to lose? Try it. That's it. All right, that's about it, though. Bro, that's it. I just dropped you guys sauce, okay? I just gave you the fucking shit. That's it. Use it. Please, use it. Please, just try it. Make it make sense. Go back and watch this video. See how I did it. Come on, please, bro. It works. I'm telling you. All right. Peace out. Happy 4th. You guys all have a good one.